Is Gemini Crypto Exchange on the brink of collapse? That's the question swirling around the crypto world right now, and in this video, we're diving deep into the rumors, the facts, and everything in between to give you a clear picture of what's really happening. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. This video is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. Okay, so why all the fuss about Gemini? Well, it boils down to a confluence of factors, some confirmed, some rumored, and all contributing to a climate of uncertainty. Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, has always positioned itself as a regulated and compliant crypto exchange, a sort of bastion of stability in the often turbulent crypto seas. This reputation is now being severely tested. The most immediate cause for concern stems from the broader crypto market downturn. We've seen Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies experience significant price drops over the past year, leading to a domino effect across the industry. Exchanges like Gemini, which rely on trading fees and the overall health of the market, are inevitably impacted. Lower trading volumes mean lower revenue, and this can put a strain on their operations. Beyond the general market conditions, Gemini has faced its own specific challenges. One major issue is the ongoing lawsuit with Genesis Global Capital. Genesis, a crypto lending firm, filed for bankruptcy, and Gemini is caught in the crossfire. Gemini's Earn program, which allowed users to lend their crypto through Genesis, has been frozen, leaving many users unable to access their funds. This has understandably sparked anger and frustration among Gemini users, and the legal battle is likely to be long and costly. The lawsuit itself raises several red flags. It brings to light questions about Gemini's due diligence in partnering with Genesis and the risk management practices in place. Did Gemini adequately assess the risks associated with the Earn program? Did they foresee the possibility of Genesis going bankrupt? These are critical questions that are now being scrutinized. Another contributing factor to the uncertainty surrounding Gemini is the recent round of layoffs. The company has reportedly downsized its workforce, which is often a sign of financial distress. While layoffs are common in the current economic climate, particularly in the tech sector, they do raise concerns about Gemini's ability to weather the storm. Are these layoffs simply a cost-cutting measure, or do they indicate deeper financial problems? Adding fuel to the fire are the rumors circulating online. Social media platforms are rife with speculation about Gemini's financial health, with some even suggesting that the exchange is facing insolvency. It's crucial to remember that these are just rumors, and they should be taken with a grain of salt. However, in the context of the other challenges Gemini is facing, these rumors can further erode public confidence. Now, let's look at the other side of the coin. Gemini has consistently maintained that it is financially sound and that customer funds are safe. They have emphasized their commitment to regulation and compliance, highlighting their efforts to operate within the legal framework. They have also pointed to their strong security measures and their track record of never having been hacked. Furthermore, some analysts argue that the current market downturn is a temporary phenomenon and that the crypto market will eventually recover. If this is the case, Gemini, with its established brand and reputation, could be well positioned to bounce back. They have a loyal user base and a strong technological infrastructure. However, the truth is that we don't have all the answers. Transparency is key in times of uncertainty, and Gemini could do more to address the concerns of its users. Providing clear and detailed information about the Genesis lawsuit, the Earn program, and the company's financial health would go a long way in restoring confidence. The lack of clear communication can breed further speculation and distrust, which can be detrimental to any business, especially in the volatile crypto market. Users are looking for reassurance, and Gemini needs to be proactive in providing it. So, is Gemini in trouble? The short answer is, it's complicated. The company is facing a confluence of challenges, including the broader market downturn, the Genesis lawsuit, layoffs, and swirling rumors. While Gemini maintains that it is financially sound, the lack of transparency and the ongoing uncertainty are cause for concern. The situation is evolving rapidly, and it's essential to stay informed. Keep an eye on official announcements from Gemini, as well as reputable news sources. Don't rely solely on social media rumors, and always do your own research. The crypto market is inherently risky, and events like this serve as a reminder of the importance of due diligence and risk management. If you're a Gemini user, it's crucial to assess your own risk tolerance and make informed decisions about your investments. Ultimately, the fate of Gemini will depend on how the company navigates these challenges. Their ability to resolve the Genesis lawsuit, restore user confidence, and weather the market downturn will be critical to their survival. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.